Hello guys, today I'll talk to you about our web app SkillSetEval, which is currently in development. SkillSetEval is an app designed for developers to test their knowledge on programming skills and recruiters who are looking for the best talent on the market. As you can see here, you can sign as a developer, sign in as a developer or as a recruiter. But today, in today's demo, we are gonna solely focus on the developer side of things, and especially our main feature, SkillSetEval. So let's sign in. Here you have our home page from which you can access the different features. Let's talk about some of the side features like competitions. Here's a set of competition in which you can participate depending on your knowledge. Freelance, some freelance offers that you can apply for with your LinkedIn account, etc. And you can add different parameters like your pay rate. You can add a project that you wish done by another developer. You wish this project to get done by another developer, sorry. Our developers list with their rating and depending on their freelance jobs and their email address, and you can contact said developers. Now let's talk about quiz. In this feature you'll have different technologies like Java, mobile, PHP, big data, and Python. Let's try to zoom through a quiz talking about Python, which is one of my favorite languages. So let's pass through the questions. Nice, we got 3 out of 10. Here you can see the different answers. Luckily we got the correct one in the first answer. Here, for example, in the second one, true or false, a function can be defined inside a function is an incorrect. We choose true, and the answer was false. Now let's talk about our main feature, SkillSetEval. As you can see, you have a set of problems that you will try to solve using the programming languages of your choosing. Actually, right now the languages available at your disposal are Java, JavaScript, C, C++, and of course Python. The difficulty of said problems can vary from easy to medium. Easy like our hello world, in which you are asked to write a function that returns hello world. Medium and hard. Let's try a hard one like happy numbers. In this problem you are tasked to write a Java program to check whether a given number is a happy number or an unhappy number. A happy number starting with a positive integer. Replace the number by the sum of the square of its digits and repeat the process until the number equals 1, or it loops endlessly in a cycle which does not include 1. An unhappy number is not a happy number. The first few unhappy numbers are 2, 3, 4, etc. The expected output, if for example your input is 5, is an unhappy number. In this problem we are asked to verify if 92 is a happy or unhappy number. I prepared a code snippet in Java so we can speed through this process. Let's select the Java language. Here's our code snippet. As you can see, the keywords are highlighted. For example, if we choose JavaScript, some of the keywords are not highlighting. This feature is to help you know if your coding your keywords are written the right way or not. Now let's run our code. Here we got the perfect score, 200. Okay, so how the compiler works, and here is your output. So 92 is an unhappy number. How does the compiler work? It calculates the cyclomatic complexity of your code and your compilation numbers, and also compares your output to the expected output of this problem, and this and runs the calculation for the score to return your score. So let's choose an example. For example, let's add some functions or a function that is not needed in this code snippet, just to increase the cyclomatic complexity of this code. And you will see that your score will drop accordingly. Let's run our code. As you can see, our score now is 180. Let's try to increase the cyclomatic complexity of this code. Let's run it again. Our output is the same. It's the exact output that is needed for this problem. Now you see that your score is 145. In addition to returning your output, this compiler will return also if you have an error in your code. For example, let's remove this colon and run our code. Now our score is 0 and our code is incorrect. And in the output, you will see that semicolon is expected after the return function. So that's it for our project. Thank you for sticking with us, and goodbye.